The gloves are off. What unfolded at the recent Politburo meeting was not just a clash of personalities, it was the full-blown ideological rupture within ZANU-PF. Ndisadapenda mashoko arinyatsoonekwa kunzi right now the ruling party ZANU-PF, the tension between the two leaders haisi kumira zvakanaka. Anytime munogona kungonzwa kuti chatsva amene kusadi kwani, but zvinatsoratidza kuti zvinhu zvinomira zvakanaka. Ndisadapenda mashoko ari kuuya panguva ine achikomendwa naChipomusarurwa pamusoro the recent Politburo yakaitika. Subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Chipomusarurwa anoendera mberi achiti the leaked dossier allegedly authored by Vice President Chiwenga is exposed a rot so deep it threatens to destabilize the very foundations of the party's internal cohesion. Close sources say senior figures Ziyambi, Julai Moyo, Opam Chinguri, Party CHAMISA, and others entered the meeting not as statesmen but as defenders of a crumbling fortress built on patronage and plunder. Their coordinated defense of Kudakwashe, citing the land tenure program and familiar ties to ED, was less about policy and more about survival. The accusations against the general, including alleged ties to Gaza, were desperate attempts to deflect from the billions siphoned through opaque financial channels. Yet General's response, measured, composed, and unflinching, was a masterclass in political restraint. He did not match fire with fire. Instead, he let the facts speak louder than the fairy. And now, the silence that follows is deafening. This is no longer about factions. It's about accountability. The people of Zimbabwe deserve transparency, not theatrics. If the allegations are true, then the era of impunity must end not with a whisper in the closest rooms, but with prosecutions in open court. The cat is out of the bag. The question is, will the party chase it down or pretend it never existed? The reckoning day has begun. Thomas Kwarubuda Pakwana Chitogwana Chipomusarurwa achiti aiwa madevelopments akaitika in the recent Politburo akaexposa zvakawanda, anyatsoratidza kuti vakomana they are now up for a fight, especially vakomana kuseti raED 2030 zvinyatsokubuda panguva ine kuti they are now attacking VP Kosano Chiwenga. At the same time VP Kosano Chiwenga ari kukandawo futi mathreats kune zvigananda. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko chimina comment section medu. Saka no subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.